Safety to us starts from the ground up. It's not only important for our employees to be safe, but also the people that we are doing work for and the areas that we are doing work around is very important to us. Safety is a cultural thing. The Roof and Gutter Guys practices every single day.
Here at the Roof and Gutter Guys, we pride ourselves on building a culture of safety. Whether it's on-site or in the office, the key is consistency.
Within our company, we focus on 4 main points for safety. Start strong, finish strong, consistency is key, enforce and expect, and safety over savings. Start strong, finish strong includes training an employee the second they walk in the door, fitting them with proper equipment, and pairing them with someone that will train them effectively until we know that they are going to be able to remain safe on the job site and get home to their family the same way that they came to us. Our key to consistency is our weekly OSHA-based safety meetings and our monthly service equipment checks. This helps us to ensure that our roofers have proper equipment that's not frayed or damaged, and that our trucks are going to service them throughout the beginning of the job to the end and get them back to us safely. We expect our safety rules to be followed, and we enforce that by requiring safety pictures and equipment pictures to be shown with every work order. Our emphasis on safety over savings is reflected by prioritizing the replacement of equipment over our bottom line. All of these put together have helped us go years without an injury on the job site, and we hope to continue that.